Hello dear friends! In this video you will see another selection of cool products on Amazon and AliExpress. For more information, see the links in the description. Feel free to like the video to support me and subscribe to my channel without forgetting the bell. Let's go!
After a long day, have you ever wanted to wear your favorite clothes tomorrow, but didn't have time to wash them? Select a cycle with the Turbo Wash option. LG's advanced Turbo Wash 360 uses a 3D multi-nozzle that sprays water in 4 directions, and the inverter pump allows delicate stream control. The multi-nozzle sprays water into every corner of the tub to ensure washing performance. Laundry can be done within 39 minutes while providing more fabric protection. Thoroughly clean in 39 minutes. LG Turbo Wash 360.
front loader odor. You know that smell when you open your funky front load washer? But at GE Appliances, we've engineered the first and only front load with an ultra-fresh vent system with odor block. Equipped with vents that help keep it dry and antimicrobial technology that protects against bacteria. Basically, funky to fresh, so you can
Shut the front door.
No one says that.
Another way we make good things for life.
No.
What?
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not seen these videos, be sure to look. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there will be more cool products. Bye-bye.